Hello everyone, welcome back to Royal Cyber Adobe series. Today we are going to see AEM Co-Pilot Demo. So let's dive straight into it. So let's have a quick recap. AEM Co-Pilot is a helpful tool that is built into Adobe Experience Manager and uses OpenAI. It makes it simple to create content and fix errors with the goal of streamlining the content creation process. It allows users to work faster, create higher quality content, save time, and it's easy for everyone to use. Okay, so this is just a sample page, and we already have few components available, you can see. So now we have, let's say we have to generate content for this component. So just click on this component, and in the toolbar, you can see one icon is appearing, that is Gen AI. Once you click on it, one dialog will pop up. Okay. In this dialog, the first field is for which field, like this component is containing multiple fields. Okay, not this only. Each component is containing multiple fields. Okay. So it is asking like for which field you need content. Okay. And this list is also dynamic. It is not fixed one. So according to whatever component I will select, according to that only this list is going to populate. So as I select this component, this list is here. If I select any other component, so you can see the list is now changed. Okay. So let's come back to our component. Yeah. Okay. So now let's say we need some title. So I select the field. Now we have to provide a prompt. So let's say write a title for Royal Cyber India. Fine. Now we have three options available for text related content. One is generation, one is correction if you want to ensure your grammar is correct, and there is a summarize to get the brief summary of long content. Okay, so you can select according to your need. For now, let's say we have to generate. Okay, so just select this option and click on generate. Yeah, so now you can see one title here. If you like it, just click on save. So you can see the title is changed for this component. If you don't like it, you can change the prompt and you can write according to your need. Okay. So let's say not only title, I need some description also. So for description, I have this text field. Okay. In the component. Now let me change a little bit. Yeah. So write a description for example, India. Let's generate again. Yeah. So now you can see here a description is available. If you like it, you can go through this. So let's say it's fine. So I'm just saving it. Yeah, so you can see it changed. Okay, so let's check for correction. Okay, I just given a sample sentence here. Okay, now let's select correction and click on generate. Yeah, so you can see I have loved classical music ever since I was a child. So you can see little the grammar is now correct. So let's check for summarize. Let me give a sample text here. Okay. Now summarize and generate. Yeah, so now you can see it is summarized. So if you like it, you can save it. Okay, so now let's say we need some image also. Okay, so here we have to select the image related field. So that is image asset in this component. Okay, now we have to provide a prompt. For sample, let me write this. Okay. Now we have to select resolution. So let's find. Okay. Click on generate. Yeah. And you can see image is appearing here. If you like it, just click on save. Otherwise, just click on generate or just change the prompt and again generate. Yeah. So let's say for now it is fine. So just click on save. Yeah. And now you can see that image is appearing here. So that's it. Thank you.